But the miners are still unhappy.
90% of Australia's minerals exports will get absolutely no shielding from the full impact of the highest carbon costs in the world.
Kevin Rudd says business needs certainty going forward. In trying to win coalition support in the Senate, he's capitulated to the opposition leader on a later start-up date and a bigger target. A low target of 5% pollution cuts by 2020 will be raised to 25% if the world comes on side.
Putting forward a 25% target by 2020 will ripple right around the world.
That's where we've got to be. There are no jobs on a dead planet.
There's one promise Kevin Rudd won't be finessing. The Prime Minister says he's committed to delivering the legislated tax cuts. Paul Journo, 10 News.
New figures released today show